Hello students, welcome you all to in this online lecture series. Myself Prerna Shinde from the Department of Chemistry in the SVKT College Development Camp, Nasik. In the last lecture, we have seen the basics of quantum chemistry. In that, we have seen the de Broglie hypothesis, Heisenberg uncertainty principle and the quantum numbers. In this lecture, we are going to see what is the need of quantum number, what is the principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and the spin quantum number. With this lecture, student can understood the following points, that is the need of quantum number, side shape and orientation of orbital and the principle of filling of orbital. What are the quantum number basically? In a last topic we covered with the electron or the light has a wave particle duality. Light behave as a wave also and the particle also. Same as for the electron. Electron also behave as a particle and the wave nature. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle prove that electron has the wave nature. We cannot predict the exact position and the momentum of the particle, that is the electron, simultaneously. Even in the de Broglie hypothesis, it described that electron has the wave nature. So, with the help of that, we can tell that the electron, as it has a wave nature, so it has a probability density. We cannot predict the exact position of electron, therefore it has the wave function. So, for a particular electron, there are number of possible wave function. With the help of quantum number, we can predict what is the probability density or what is the wave function that particular electron. Many wave functions are possible for an electron and therefore many atomic orbital are present in an atom. Various orbital in an atom differ in size, shape and orientation with respect to its probability density function. According to this, if I taken the example of a particular atom, if I taken the example of a lithium, lithium has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. So, what is a 1? What is the s over there? What is the 2 representation? Why? Because of what? Its atomic number is 3. According to that, we used to write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. That is, s orbital has a capacity of the 2 electron. So, there is a filling of 1s2 and 2s1. 1 is the principal quantum number there, s is the azimuthal quantum number and 2 that represent the number of electron in that particular orbital. So, each orbital is designated by the 3 quantum number, which represented as a n, which is the principal quantum number, L is the azimuthal quantum number, Ml is the magnetic quantum number, and each electron assigned with a 4 quantum number, that is N, L, Ml and Ms. Ms is the spin quantum number, which represent the spin of that electron. So, here are the filling of the electron in that particular orbital. First the shell, after that subshell, then is the orbital and the electron get the fill. So, what it represent? Principal quantum number. Principal quantum number designated by the letter n. It has a value in a positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4 and it never be 0, as the energy of a particular electron is never be 0. So, the value of the principal quantum number ranges 1, 2, 3, 4 and above. It signifies shell to which the electron belong, that is what the principal quantum number. With increase in the value of n, that is the distance from nucleus and size of shell increases and also the energies increases. For this you can take the example here. Here is the shell represent KLMN. In the center there is a nucleus, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, that is L shell, n equal to 3, M shell, n equal to 4, N shell. As the distance from the nucleus is increases of the electron, the energy also get the increases. energy also get the increases. Principal quantum number gives the size of orbital. As n increases, the size of orbital also get increases. The larger the value of n, further is the shell from the nucleus. Here it is the value of n is equal to 4. So, from the nucleus it is far away than the n equal to 1. Which is the nearest shell or which is the nearest orbital here to the nucleus is n equal to 1, that is a k shell. Here is one more point, that is as the value of n increases, the energy gap between the successive shell decreases. That is the n, m are far to the nucleus. So, the distance between these two shells is very near or is a small difference. Next is the azimuthal quantum number. What is the azimuthal quantum number? It is denoted with the letter L. It is also known as a subsidiary quantum number or the angular quantum number. Atomic orbital with the same value of n, but the different values of L constitute a subshell belonging to the same shell for the given value of n. N may be same, but the values of L get differed. So, the values of L ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3 to n minus 1, that is a 0, minus L, 0 or plus L. Azimuthal quantum number signifies the shape of orbital. S is a spherical in shape, P has a dumbbell shape, D orbital is a double dumbbell shape, and F orbital lies in the complex shape of the orbital. So, azimuthal quantum number signifies the shape of orbital. Here are some examples for the azimuthal quantum number. If I taken the value of n equal to 2, so L ranges from 0 and 1. When n equal to 4, the value of L is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here are some examples also included. When L equal to 0, the subshell is in the S. When value of L equal to 1, the subshell is in the P. When L equal to 2, the subshell is a D. One more, when L equal to 3, the subshell is a F. As you can take the example, while the filling of electronic configuration, you can take the S, P, D, F. S has a capacity of filling 2 electron, P has a capacity of filling 6 electron, D has a capacity of filling 10 electron, and F has a capacity of filling 14 electrons. So, these are all about the azimuthal quantum number. Next is the magnetic quantum number. The magnetic quantum number ML gives the information about the relative spatial orientation of orbital in a given subshell. Spatial orientation, spatial part relates to the x, y, z axis. The orientation of orbital, that is what the magnetic quantum number. It has a value ranges from minus L to plus L, minus L to plus L. For the subshell L equal to 1 having the subshell P, the allowed values are minus 1, 0 and plus 1. Therefore, you write as a P orbital 3 blocks, P orbital 3 blocks, that is minus 1, 0, plus 1. In that particular orbital there is a filling of electron takes place. So, in a D it ranges from minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. So, there are 5 orbital having the capacity of 10 electron in a particular D subshell when the value of L is a 2. For the subshell L equal to 3 has the capacity of filling 14 electron, the values of L ranges from minus L, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 to the plus 3. Each of set having the capacity of 2 electron. So, overall F orbital we can fill into the 14 electrons. This is all about the magnetic quantum number. Next is the spin quantum number. Spin quantum number is the fourth most important quantum number, which is represented by the letter ms, specifies the spin state of electron in an orbital. The two orientation of a electron or the spin of electron is possible, that is a plus half, which is represented by the pointing up sign, or minus half, which used to downward arrow. For that the downward arrow is used, that is a plus half or minus half. Spin of a particular electron should be plus half or the minus half only. If you, so there are, this is a representation of the spin in a particular orbital. An orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons and they must have the opposite spins. Here it is a representation or the figure which represent the filling of a electron. One is a pointing towards upward, one is the downward. That is a clockwise rotation of electron and the anti-clockwise rotation of that electron. When there is a clockwise rotation of electron, the values of ms is the plus half. When there is an anti-clockwise rotation of electron, the values of ms or the magnetic spin quantum number is the minus half. We have seen these 4 quantum numbers, that is a principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and the spin quantum number. For that there is a one criteria or the principle which used for filling of a electron in that particular orbital or particular shell or the subshell. So these 3 principles are above principle. Above means the building up principle, which states that the ground state of an atom or ion electron fills subshell of the lowest available energy. Then they fill the subshell of the higher energy. So above principle, here is the diagram which represents the how the subshell get filled. As we know, if I taken the example of lithium again, lithium or boron. Boron has the atomic number 5, has the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. So how the energy levels get filled according to the above principle. Here is the, there are 5 number of electron. So first of all, the lowest energy here it is a 1s. So 1s get filled first of all, after that 2s get filled. Here is the arrangement of these or the increasing order of energy is given. 1s, after that there is a filling of 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4d, 5s. In this way there is a filling of electron in that particular element is taken. That is the electron get filled in the lowest energy first, after that the higher energy get filled. So next is what the Pauli's exclusion principle. What it states, no 2 electron in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum number. 4 quantum number that we have seen, that is the value of n, ml, ms, that is a spin quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and the principal quantum number. These 4 will never get same for a particular energy level, or you can state it as a only 2 electrons can occupy the same orbital and they must have the opposite spin. This is what the Pauli's exclusion principle. Next is the Hund's maximum multiplicity. Hund's rule of what? Maximum multiplicity. Pairing of electron in the orbital belonging to the same subshell does not occur unless each orbital belonging to the subshell has got 1 electron each. Here is an example of what? Oxygen. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This is the electronic configuration for the oxygen. According to principle, it states that electron pairing will happen only after there is a fulfillment of all orbital. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here it is in 1s2 get 2 electron, 2s2 also the 2 electron. In a 2p4 energy level, the first of all get energy or they fill according to the each orbital 1, 2, 3 and next pairing only get happened. In a first case, it is a correct fulfillment of what? Electron with the opposite spin. In a second, there is a cross sign. There is no pairing or there is no vacant orbital will remain as it is. Only first of all the filling of each and every orbital, only after that the pairing will happen. This is what the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. So here it is some example regarding to this session. Azimuthal quantum numbers determines the size, spin, orientation and the angular momentum orbital. With this 4 option, you have to choose what the azimuthal quantum number determines. As we have seen, that is principal quantum number gives the size of orbital. Azimuthal quantum number gives the shape of orbital. After that, the magnetic quantum number ml, orientation of orbital, and spin quantum number, spin of orbital, plus half or the minus half. Here is the next question, which of the following is not possible? Again, this is on the basis of no two electron has the same set of 4 quantum number. Here they have given the value n equal to 3, L equal to 0, m equal to 0. Option B, n equal to 3, L equal to 1, m equal to minus 1. C, n equal to 2, L equal to 0, and m equal to minus 1. D, n equal to 2, L equal to 1, and m equal to 0. See here, n equal to 2, L equal to 0, and m equal to minus 1. N, principal quantum number 2, L, S, P, D, F, 0, 1, 2, 3. S represent 0, P 1, D, F, D 3, and F 4. So, according to that statement, M never be minus 1 for the s orbital. It should be 0. So, the option number C is not possible for this statement. So, today we have seen the principal quantum number, the letter n is a letter which designated. Allowed values are 1, 2, 3, and it never be 0. What it shows? The size of orbital and the energy level. Next we have seen the magnetic, the secondary or azimuthal quantum number, which is also known as the angular momentum, designated by the letter L, ranges from 0 to minus 1, which gives the shape of orbital. Next we have seen the magnetic quantum number ml, that ranges or it integers in the range of minus L to plus L. It gives the orientation of what? Orbital. Spin quantum number ms has a value plus half or the minus half, which gives the spin of electron. So, this is all about today. In a next lecture, we are going to see the careers after the BSc MSc chemistry. Thank you.